want to do away with you just want to take all the fun out of the game. You just want it to be football.
Really.
You just want it to be football then.
No, I actually want quite a show in a football game.
All right. Because I like when Bango... Does he still hand out a pizza to somebody at the Bucks games? Are we still doing that?
No, we don't do that.
No, we don't do that anymore?
No.
I suppose with COVID and all.
Yeah, we haven't done that one in a while. I don't remember when we last did that.
Was that with Palermo's?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pizza, the game, fan of the game, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Everyone would freak out.
Yeah.
I got a pizza!
Crazy.
You got a, great. It's nice. It's nice. I don't know if I'm going to lose my mind over it. Well, thank you, Bango. This will be nice. One less trip to the concession stand.
A whole pizza?
Yeah.
You know what that would cost you
Come
at
on.
the concession stand?
Well,
like $80.
That's why it's extra nice that Bango came by with a pizza. And let's face it,